And today we have got the latest update just 58 minutes ago, which is pretty hopeful. When I try to load up the game, all it gives is me the Nebula data error. So what's really going on? And it has been going on since 3 days or so. Actually more than that. Stuck in matchmaking again. We all know that Payday 3 hasn't been fixed, at least for the majority of the people. This has been the common issue. I know those who have paid for the game, it has been a really tough time for paying for the game and not able to play for it. I can totally understand your pain, guys. They got rickrolled as well. So today we have got some update from the game developers, which is pretty hopeful. So today in this video, let me show you all the latest updates. So it has been a very rough time for the Payday 3, and today we have got the latest update just 58 minutes ago, which is pretty hopeful. They're Easters. We know you have a lot of questions on Payday 3. We are ready to start answering them. Tune in today as we do the live stream. So they'll be going to answer your most burning questions, the current status of the game, and the future of the Payday 3. And they are doing it onto the Twitch. So guys, tune in at 5 p.m. CEST, Twitch Payday the game, and there they'll be going to answer the most burning questions related to the Payday 3. I know those who have paid for the game, it has been a really tough time for paying for the game and not able to play for it. I can totally understand your pain, guys, but don't worry. Today they'll be doing the live stream onto the Twitch, and they'll be going to answer your questions right there. And I'm pretty hopeful the game will be live back up and running with full force. So do let me know what do you think about the game. How's your experience if you ever got to play the game? And make sure to hit that like, share this video, subscribe, show your love. And this is Kedar from How to Guys. See you in the next video.